Hi, and welcome to the Right Hire training series. In this video, I will show you how to design an off-the-shelf selection assessment template from one of over 950 pre-designed templates we have in our database. Selection assessment templates are generally completed by company administrators. These templates are then used by recruiters to launch live selection assessments. So let's get started. If you haven't already done so, the first thing we're going to do is head over to our assessment templates page by clicking on the link along the top bar. When you are on the assessment templates page, click on Create New Template. There are three options to choose from when creating a new assessment template. You can select a pre-built template, you can customize a template from a pre-built one, or you can create a fully customized assessment template. For this example, we are going to select the pre-built template option on the left. After you make your selection, you will be able to search for an occupation. The search function is based on the occupational network, otherwise known as ONET. You can search for any one of ONET's occupations by name or by job code. For this example, I'm going to search for air traffic controller. Once you search for an occupation, you can also click on Occupation Information, which will take you to another page that has detailed job information. Going through this can be helpful for determining if the job you are trying to hire for matches the assessment template that you have selected. With the exception of a few occupations, you should be able to find the one you're looking for. However, if a suitable match cannot be found, a customized from pre-built or a fully custom assessment template should be used instead. These two design strategies are discussed in subsequent training sessions. Once you have found a suitable occupation, you can give your assessment template a unique name in the Assessment Template Name section. For this example, I'm going to go with Air Traffic Controller March 2019. Once you have decided on an assessment template name, the next task is to decide whether or not you want to test for cognitive ability, work personality, or a combination of both. In this example, I'm going to go with both. The next task is to decide how long you want to test for. Most tests range between 45 minutes to 60 minutes. As an interesting side note, for some of the HR professionals out there concerned with applicant dropout, there has been some really good recent research looking into this. Using data from over 200,000 applicants across some of America's largest companies, researchers from Oregon and Ohio found that the length of selection assessments does not decrease the quality of applicant pools. In fact, it's those that would be considered unqualified who tend to drop out. The Right Hire system combines the occupation information and testing time to determine the most appropriate competencies to include on an assessment template. This decision is based on the relationship between different competencies and performance on the job, as well as the relationship between the competencies themselves. It is important to note that as the relationship between two or more competencies gets stronger, the importance of each competency tends to go down. So while a longer test time does allow for more competencies to be assessed, the sheer number of competencies tested does not necessarily increase the ability to predict performance. So once you've selected a suitable time for the assessment, all you need to do to finish designing the assessment template is to click the Create button. Before we move on, just keep in mind that all of these settings can be edited once an assessment template has been created. When you get back to the assessment templates page, you will see the newly created selection assessment template at the top of the list. From here, we can press on the More tab and we can edit our assessment template, deactivate our template, view the competencies included in our assessment template, download a job analysis report, and we can hide our assessment template from Recruiter's View. If we select on View Competencies, we can see the list of competencies selected for the assessment template, as well as its predictive ability ranging from 0 to 1, where 1 means perfect prediction. For this assessment template, the system has included information ordering, oral comprehension, perceptual speed, problem sensitivity, speed of closure, achievement and effort, cooperation, dependability, and integrity. For this assessment template, the relationship between an assessment and performance would be around 0.67. This is slightly higher than the reported average of around 0.5 for cognitive testing in general. From the More tab, you can also download the Job Analysis Report. This report has detailed information regarding the characteristics of the job, as well as the way that the competencies were selected for the assessment template. And this brings us to the end of the tutorial for making off-the-shelf selection assessment templates. For more information, please refer to the RightHire's user manual or ask one of RightHire's customer support specialists who will be more than happy to assist you.